So, okay, tanpa membuang masa, saya menjemput Cikgu Rashid untuk join live malam ni. Selamat malam, Cikgu Rashid.
Selamat malam, Bun.
Apa khabar?
Baik,
Di
alhamdulillah.
CPI pertama untuk tahun 2022.
Ya,
So,
betul.
harap bagi impact yang bagus untuk trading kita.
Saya pun begitu rasa macam tu sebab okay, nanti saya go through lah sebab kita cuma ada 15 minit saja. Okay, kejap ya, saya tengok skrin kita. Okay guys, tanpa membuang masa, okay, kita sebenarnya nak review US CPI data malam ni, okay, sebab daripada Outlook yang kita buat over the weekend, and then semalam siapa yang perasan masa Jeremy Powell bercakap tu, gold naik ataupun kita nampak kelemahan US dollar sebab Jeremy Powell punya speech dia less hawkish dan apa yang market expect. Jadi saya rasa impactnya kita akan nampak mungkin CPI. Sebab tu saya minta kalau Team Rex kalau free kita buat satu review lah. Sebab apa yang kita nampak tu gold naik, okay. Jadi mungkin kita cuma kena pastikan sama ada data CPI ini memberi sambungan ke bearish move ataupun akan ke atas. Okay, so tanpa membuang masa kita pergi dekat inilah terus ke skrin saya. Ya, Bun?
Belum share, tak nampak.
Okay, boleh nampak skrin saya FOREX Factory?
Boleh.
Okay guys, so kita ada dalam lebih kurang 10-12 minit. Okay, so saya tak nak membuang masa banyak sangat. Okay, saya just quickly go through apa yang market sekarang ni looking at is this one, CPI, especially this cost CPI as well. Tapi Forex Factory ni dia cuma ada month on month, tapi apa yang market akan jangkakan adalah year on year. Okay, so yang tu kalau tengok dekat screen saya sini, boleh nampak kat sini ya, investing.com.
Boleh.
Okay, so sekarang ni kalau kita nampak year on year December ni 7% dengan yang ni 5.4%. Okay, so ini menjadi tumpuan pasaran sekarang ni. Kalau market jangka yang ni adalah 7.1 ataupun 7.2. Okay, so sebab tu kita nampak mungkin gold, okay, antara sebab sebab gold ada sebab lain pasal semalam pasal Jeremy Powell dan pasal Kazakhstan punya isu, pasal oil pun siapa yang perasan dia dah break 80, dia dah pergi almost 81, 82 punya zone. Tapi kita harap dia akan turun lah. Okay, so sekarang ni market jangka yang ni, tapi saya rasa lah mungkin ada disappointment. Maybe data yang keluar ni 6% ataupun 6 point something ataupun on the high 5 punya ni untuk data ni. Okay, satu lagi yang ni mungkin saya jangka kurang daripada data ni. Okay, dengan mentioning that part, okay, I just quickly go to gold sekarang ni. Sebab gold yang tadi siapa tu J pun dah tanya. Okay, kalau kita tengok dekat ni daily, mungkin tak nampak clear sangat. Kita pergi ke 4 hourly sebab ini yang kita analisa last week. Kita somewhere dekat kejap mana saya punya ni. Kita somewhere dekat sini bawah ni. Okay, yes. Okay, yang apa last week masa NFP tu dia turun, lepas tu naik ke atas and then ranging and then the breakout 1792 punya level and then dia pergi ke atas 1800, okay, and then turun ke bawah. Okay, I think I mentioned there's one level 1800, dia turun tapi dia tak breakout ke bawah, instead dia pergi ke atas. The few level dia dah break 1805, 1810, 1815, sekarang ni almost 1820 punya zone. Okay, tapi macam saya kata sekarang ni orang kata 1820 atau 1823, okay, might be the resistance depending on the data kejap lagi akan keluar. Okay, kita expect kalau data tadi tu katakanlah macam saya expect dalam 6% plus ataupun high 5, kita akan probably see this movement. Tapi kalau dia lebih daripada 7 ataupun 7.2 macam tu, kita expect maybe satu spike ke atas, okay, immediate one sampai 1830, 1833 punya zone, and then probably a bit of a retracement malam ni. Okay, sama ada dia akan terus turun ke bawah lepas tu itu kemudian, okay, yang tu susah nak cakap sekarang ni, tapi untuk data untuk just untuk malam ni maybe ada spike ke atas baru turun ke bawah. Tapi kalau data tu macam saya expect ada disappointment, then kita akan immediately nampak gold akan ke bawah lah. Okay, so this is on gold sekarang ni lah. Okay, kalau ada soalan then saya cuba bagi inilah, at least you all mungkin boleh dah start plan you all punya pending orders ke, ataupun limit orders ke, ataupun instant. So kita ada dalam 7-8 minit lagi. Okay, Bun?
Okey, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid.
Ya.
So kita ada 8-7 minit lagi Okey, kita 7 minit lagi untuk core CPI data dengan CPI data.
Ya.
Okey, terima kasih Tuan Vic. Terima kasih juga Tuan Mat sebab join live malam ni So kalau ada soalan ataupun permintaan boleh type di ruangan komen ni.
Ataupun sementara tunggu tu maybe nak sell ke nak buy ni. Okay. Maybe saya tunjuk balik screen. Okay.
Okay. Selamat malam Cik Didi.
Okay. Boleh nampak screen saya?
Ya, boleh.
Okay. Kita go into the lower time frame. Okay. Kita ada nampak ada macam rejection dekat 1823. Okay. Of course, this move, okay, kita rasa kita dah bincang hari tu masa NFP, and then lepas NFP what happened. And then this upward move, of course, ada isu orang kata Kazakhstan, and also what do you call, semalam Jeremy Powell also less hawkish than expected, so market was going. Tapi in the ataupun in the bigger time frame, saya rasa saya ada bagi tahu we are looking at it about 1820 punya maximum. Mungkin akan ada rejection. Of course dia dah cucuk about 1823 lah. Okay, sekarang ni data CPI, this is where I think maybe technical traders mungkin marah dengan saya ataupun tak setuju. Okay, but doesn't matter. Sekarang ni of course dia duduk dekat some kind of a technical level, but for the market to move breakout up ataupun break down, this CPI data, okay, will make I think the first move. So that's why I will always try to say fundamental most likely will come first before technical. Okay, so sekarang ni duduk dekat resistance punya level. Kalau katakan data CPI ini is above 7% ataupun about 6.9, closer to about 7.1, 7.2, then we might see immediate spike sebelum dia cuba ke bawah lah. Okay, but kalau katakan data is what I'm expecting, which is probably about mid 6 to about high 5, okay, then I'm expecting market untuk retrace back untuk gold lah. Okay, so it depends on the data CPI. Jadi market sekarang ni saya rasa saya pernah ada bagi tahu, market will go and then during CPI data either they break out ataupun come down. So we are almost there. Okay, the only issue that day was we said it maybe ada rejection ke 1800, but it's only temporary rejection. 1805 kita tak nampak much rejection, but about 1810 kita nampak a bit of a shallow rejection. Tapi semalam punya testimony is not as hawkish as expected, and also because due to the Kazakhstan punya issue, oil price breaking above 80, that also driving gold price up. Tapi sekarang ni if you ask me, I think that possibility after the CPI data, kalau high 7, sorry, not high 7, if it's above 7, then most likely kita akan nampak some kind of a spike ke atas sebelum dia turun. Okay, tapi kalau tak, as what I'm expecting, maybe 1823 might be the resistance, and then we are expecting market to come down. So kalau tanya saya buy ke sell, I would say it depending. Kalau you nak ambil risiko sekarang ni, then I would say probably sell right now, okay, and put your stop loss sampai kat sini. Tapi kalau you are a bit of a risk averse person, then wait until the data comes out, and if there's an immediate spike, you try to sell from here. Kalau tidak, you nampak dia cuma breakdown, then you try to sell from here to take, I don't know, maybe about at least about 100, 150 pips punya ni, maybe from 1820 probably to 1805 to 1800. Okay, so that would be my inilah bias.
Okey,
Okay, Bun?
baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So kita ada 3 minit lagi
Ya. So kalau ada soalan apart from ni mungkin saya boleh share sementara tunggu tu USD CAD. I think we also reviewed USD CAD. Kita nampak oil price bila break, kita nampak dia dah break this 1.26 pergi ke mid 1.2 125.50. Okay, so sekarang ni harap oil price retrace balik lah daripada 81, 82 punya level, so that you probably can go up. Tapi kalau tidak, data CPI kalau katakan is more orang kata bearish towards US dollar, then we'll see probably it hit 1.25, then only goes up. So this is on more on the USD CAD lah. Okay, but Japanese yen pairs, we probably won't see much movement for this CPI data, especially kalau katakan GJ. I think GJ Boon pun ada update this strong movement bearish. Okay, tapi dia naik balik. Untuk buat ni, I think you guys can refer balik kita punya outlook last weekend. Why we said it, there will be a correction and then attempt back again to this level before coming down, ataupun one more level before coming down. So this one you guys can refer the videos over the weekend.
Ya, kemungkinan dia akan buat fake out sebab macam Cikgu Rashid selalu cakap GBP normally dia over skid then dia baru coming back.
Yeah, but actually this correction we expected, and what coming up also we said it, but now it goes up, test this 158 and come back, try to attempt 159, okay, atau 58 something, then come down. So this move is what we don't know yet, okay.
Yeah.
Tapi I think most likely this move probably is almost certain at this point.
Okey, baik.
Okay.
Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So
kita ada 1 minit lagi. Yes. We'll see how it goes.
Then ada Tuan Mat tanya pasal pair EA.
Oh, EA. I think for this CPI, we don't focus EA sebab we will see after the data.
Okay.
Because I think the
25 second. Lagi 25. Yeah.
Okay. Kalau siapa yang nampak mungkin dah keluar awal, mungkin boleh update, ataupun you guys already selling or buying or taking a long or a short position, boleh update. Okay.
Strong.
Stronger.
Core CPI 0.5. Tapi tak satu tak, core CPI 4.9 lah untuk yang YOY.
Mungkin Boon boleh share screen, tengok. Sementara Boon share, can go through. I try to see.
Tak sempat tak? Sebab tadi saya tengok dari phone.
Oh, tengok dari
loading.
Okay, kita tengok data yang dah keluar ke sini. Okay, it's not it's within the orang kata expectation. Okay, so we didn't see. Okay, I think probably I can share my screen. Economic calendar. Boleh nampak screen saya?
Yes, okay, boleh.
Okay guys, it's not as bad as what we expected. Okay, cuma di details we don't have it yet. Semua as per the ni lah, as per the forecast. So kalau kita tengok gold, I think gold masih duduk dekat atas ni. Okay, not much movement. Okay, tapi kita harap dia akan turun kejap lagi lah. Tapi saya nampak macam GJ macam pergi ke atas tadi. Yes. Boleh nampak GJ?
Yes.
Yeah, so GJ dia attempt on close to 158 ataupun 157 something. Okay. So saya rasa dia akan ke atas lah GJ. UCAT as ni tadi kita briefly ni dia ada break ke 125.30. So saya rasa kemungkinan dia akan turun balik ke about 125 lah. Maybe another about 30 pips sebelum mungkin dia naik semula. Okay, so this on the USD CAD. Tadi ada yang tanya pasal Euro AUD. So since kita ada masa, kita cuba tengok Euro AUD. Again, Euro AUD kalau tengok dekat even bigger time frame, saya rasa hari tu saya ada bagi tahu a bit difficult for me to say anything because dua-dua macam sama kuat sama lemah. Okay, so I'm expecting this sideways move in a bigger time frame, tapi even in the shorter time frame is only ranging between 1.59 to about 1.56. Of course, this about 300 pips. Orang kata sideways range. Okay, so sama ada you nak ambil buy ataupun sell, I'm not so sure. Tapi kalau you nak still entry, of course, kalau orang kata buy on dip ataupun you look for oversold punya zone, okay, untuk buy and then probably overbought punya zone untuk sell. This pair I'm still kind of keeping it at about sideways range until siapa tu US dollar punya move ataupun JPY punya move kind of orang kata almost habis, then I would say maybe Euro AUD will come into play. Until then I would say probably moving this kind of a sideways move for some time. Okay, good.
Okey, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So, itu analisa
Ada
untuk
soalan?
pair EA. Okey, next kita ada soalan daripada Tuan Salihin. Okey, Bitcoin boleh ke, Cikgu?
Oh, okay. Bitcoin dah lama kita tak tengok. But kejap saya buka Bitcoin. Okay. Boleh tengok screen saya ya?
Belum
keluar. Because Bitcoin is quite interesting. At least I would say at this point. Okay, so I think for a long time, I think last time we talked about this 65,000 and then they were almost about another higher high dekat 60. What is that number? About 69,000. Okay, so since then dia bearish lah. Okay, tapi what's quite interesting is this 40,000 ataupun 42,000. Okay, this level seems to be holding, tapi hari tu dia ada break sedikit. Okay, so there was a bit of a panic. Sama ada dia akan break akan ke 30 ataupun even to 20 punya level. Okay, so this is where I think some people was a bit I would say jittery ataupun a bit panic whether they still need to hold. I think some people bought at this level, so whether they want to cut loss. Tapi unfortunately they ada rebound. Okay, but if you ask me, there are some things I think lots of things I think brewing up or is happening behind the scene. Okay, it will be a bit risky or to expect Bitcoin to even go up probably beyond 50 level at this point. Okay, I think market is still pressuring to go to break this level 40 and then probably test this 30, at least 30 if not 25 punya level, because I think even yesterday there's some info siapa tu Jerome Powell was talking about regarding the digital coin. Okay, and also I think siapa tu few countries ataupun I can't remember which country. I think they are trying to regulate Bitcoin. Of course, there's some news. I think few company ataupun satu dua negara, I think trying to regulate Bitcoin. But some country, especially like China, I think few other countries. Last time I mentioned it, I can't remember right now, top of my head. So the Bitcoin mining, they are trying to go hard on that. Okay, and also with the digital currency coming up and all the central banks trying to tighten the policy, I think the pressure is more for the downward pressure. Okay, if I would say if it, as long as it's maintained below 45, 46K, maybe this is one more leg ataupun two more leg down. So if you guys still interested to buy on May, of course, it will sound like a more cliche, okay? Buy on dip, okay? I think on crypto things, people always hear this, buy on dip, and then it keep going down, okay? But I think very likely, I think 40 will be breached very soon, okay? Maybe 30 will be a good place like last time. I think 30 somewhere here will be a good place to buy ataupun if you guys bid even the risk averse, then wait at 25 ataupun 20. That will be a good place to go long again. Okay, Pun?
Okey, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So itu analisa untuk Bitcoin ya. Okay, next. Top for contest berapa persen? So far tak update lagi. So kalau Tuan Sanjay nak tengah malam ni saya kirakan lah. Tapi as on Sunday, first 600% kalau tak silap kan?
Around that, I think.
Tak apa Tuan Sanjay, boleh tu. 2-3 days to go. Okey, kita ada permintaan daripada Cik Joey, analisa GU, Cikgu Rashid.
Okay, I think G also another pair. Kalau siapa yang follow kita, I think if they hold it, they probably would have got it. Ni boleh nampak GU.
Wow. Yes, boleh.
Okay, I think we have been talking about GU to make this move to about 136 and about 136.50. Okay, before dia ni lah make some kind of a rejection. Tapi sekarang ni kita nampak GU makin ke atas. So very likely I think will go to about 137 punya level. Okay, before maybe yes, but GBP as I mentioned it is still strong. Okay, that's why you guys saw GJ also going up. Okay, although 2 hari lepas ke GJ was coming down. Okay, and so GU there was some shorter resistance, tapi still GBP on its own still kuat banding dengan Euro. Siapa yang kejap lagi kita tengok Euro, okay, you guys can compare GBP, GU versus EU. So this is the move we said it. Tapi sekarang ni dia dah almost ke atas. I think there will be another 20-30 pips sebelum they maybe try to continue the bearish move. Okay, I think 137 might be the limit at this point. Okay, but the top one as I mentioned it, I think 138.40 will be the maximum untuk bearish move. Kalau dia break yang ni, maybe very likely dia akan ke atas lah. Tapi as long as dia still around this 61.8 punya level, we are talking about still a bearish move for GU. Okay, so I just do a quick comparison dekat EU sebab I think EU also we talked about it. So as you guys can see, so this is the move I was talking about it, and I also mentioned it over the weekend. Maybe they akan attempt 114. Did I attempt right now about 114.10 etc. I think there's a small room untuk EU ke atas, okay, before turun ataupun dia turun dulu, okay, and then baru ke atas, and then probably limited somewhere ke sini 115 somewhere ke sini, okay, ataupun dia terus turun dekat sini at 114.50 atau 114.30 dia terus turun. So I'm looking at it, this move untuk EU. Okay, Bun?
Okay, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So itu analisa GU dan EU Cikgu Rashid saya tanya, ikutkan data positif untuk USD kan, tapi nampak macam tak kesan tak banyak kan?
Actually bukan data macam positif, walaupun you nampak tadi green color, sebenarnya data tu tak berapa bagus untuk US dollar. Tapi masalahnya kelemahan US dollar macam gold dah naik ke atas sebab market dah expect dalam 2-3 hari ni memang dia akan ke atas. So that's one of the thing. And GU macam hari tu kita kata memang akan ada kelemahan US dollar temporary. So kita tengok balik gold. Okay, gold ada breakout sedikit ni. Okay. So dia dah breakout this one 1823. So dia dah pergi ke atas 1824. Okay, so I think very likely dia akan pergi ke 1830. This one. Gold I think very likely akan ke sana lah. Nampak dia punya bullish move sekarang ni. Okay, so maknanya dia akan buat maybe on a bigger time frame. Okay, so we are looking at it something like this. Maknanya this move dia ni baru ke bawah. Okay, so maknanya it becomes this bigger macam sideways lah for the last 2 months. Maknanya dia akan buat double top ataupun triple top lah, sebab I think previously we saw dekat sini 1830, the other one is about 1833 I think. Yeah, about 1833.
Okay.
Yeah. So kalau ikutkan data pun on its own 7% agak tinggi. Tadi macam tadi saya beritahu 6.9, 7, 7.1 punya percentage not so good for gold. Not so good for US dollar. Maknanya kemungkinan dia akan ada breakout lah, tapi pasal dia macam mix, that's why I think the movement is a bit orang kata slow untuk breakout ke atas. Tapi kalau katakan tadi 7.3 atau 7.4, I think we would have seen it spike ke atas lah.
Okay, baik. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So, selain data tadi, kita perlu ambil perhatian lah dengan level-level go yang tadi Cikgu share tu.
Tapi saya still adamant that gold akan ada rejection dekat 1830. Sebab market is of course all this is in a way expected yang inflasi akan agak tinggi, tapi once they dah reach kind of orang kata the level that probably the gold punya bear will come in at 1830 punya level to push the market down.
Baik.
Tapi sekarang ni but bear in mind sekarang ni geopolitical issue tak adalah terlalu teruk. Kazakhstan still in the news, but oil price is suddenly breaking up. So just keep an eye. So dia dah break $80. So kalau dia pergi dekat break 82, pergi ke 85, then gold might even move up to 1840, 1850. So kalau dia tak break, oil tak break ke atas, then I will see oil dengan gold akan turun ke bawah lah. Almost.
Boleh lihat kesan malam ni pada gold ke tak ada kesan untuk CPI?
Okay, if you guys see saya tunjuk gold.
Gold, oil. Sorry,
gold, oil. Oh, okay, oil masih tengah ni makin naik. Nampak screen saya?
Yeah.
I think over the weekend I talked about 80. Saya kata akan ada rejection, tapi lepas ada rejection, dia naik, dia breakout. 81 pun dia breakout. Sekarang ni 82 dia breakout. So the next level is actually 85. Which will be the maximum at this point lah. Okay. Tapi kalau dia masih break ke 83, 84 ni, gold mungkin boleh pergi ke 1840, 1850 punya zone. Tapi kalau dia retrace, katakan 82 something is a resistance sama macam sini, then it make a correction, then we will see gold pun kemungkinan besar akan turun sekali. Tapi kalau dia breakout yang ni, then gold daripada 1830 dia pun akan ke 1840. Kalau pergi ke 85, most likely dia pun akan pergi ke 1850.
Okay,
so it's a very for the time being it will be highly correlated dengan oil dengan gold, macam adik-beradik buat masa ni.
Okey. Terima kasih Cikgu Rashid. So, anda semua ada soalan ataupun permintaan?
Okay, so kalau tak ada, we will wait another 1-2 minutes. Kalau tak ada, thanks guys. Hope orang kata data CPI ni at least we saw gold ada peluang ke sampai I think at least 1830. Kalau data sampai at least 1828, 1839, just look for rejection. Sebab tiba-tiba gold pula. I think Kazakhstan punya issue is becoming a bit orang kata still under control tapi slightly elevated issue. So that's why I think oil price is pushing up, gold is going up.
Okey, baik. Faham.
Okay, sebab weekend hari tu kita kata maybe oil akan jumpa resistance dekat 80 tapi tiba-tiba Kazakhstan I think and a few other issue lah. Okay. Okay, so kalau tak ada, thanks everyone. So see you guys over the weekend.
Okey, baik. Terima kasih
Okay,
semua.
Bun.
Selamat malam.
Okay.
Okey, baik. Terima kasih.